Hey, what's up guys? David Rishka here, bringing you another video for you, and today we're gonna be talking about how to become a great salesman. I know that most people don't like sales or selling things, but I'm here to tell you that you have to change your mindset around selling. If you wanna make money with anything, you always have to sell. You have to sell yourself when you are at work, you have to sell your company when you are talking to your customers about providing services to people. You just have to change the mindset around uh, thinking how to sell. Okay, I know it could be uncomfortable, but in order to make money, you're gonna have to sell something. It could be their service, it could be product. And today I'm gonna be using the VPP formula that I learned not too long ago. And let me just explain what the VPP means. Okay, so the V stands for value. So, and this applies to businesses or people who are running business or service online or offline. Okay, it's the same formula, and let me explain how this works. Okay, so the V stands for value, and by value I mean providing information. So, for example, what I do, I talk about specific things that I wanna sell, okay, sometimes in the future. So let's say, for example, landscaping, okay, let's say that I have landscaping business. I'm gonna be creating a whole bunch of content and value online, and it could be creating videos, it could be creating blogs, or it could be creating messages on Facebook, and just talk about specific things in landscaping, talking about problems that people have with landscaping, how to do this on the front yard or backyard, how to rearrange the plants, what to put in the ground, stuff like that. And I'm gonna create a ton of value, so people go when they search online and they find my content on regular basis, and they will, by reading that content, they will develop some kind of trust or comfort with me, because they are using the information that I'm providing to them, and they will start trusting me. Okay, and by providing value and information and helping them solve their problem, I'm gonna also get rid of their pain by getting rid of their problem. Okay, so I'm gonna offer my product or service that my company has for them to relieve, and will relieve the pain to somebody. Okay, because some people will buy, some people will not buy, but I will relieve pain to some people in a way, by providing this information and offering them a product or service. Okay, and the more information you provide, the better, the more they will feel comfortable with you and to buy from you. Number three, so V stands for value, P stands for pain, and P stands for pleasure. And pleasure, by saying pleasure, it means benefits, how they're gonna benefit from your product or service. Okay, so what type of business or product are you uh, running or offering to people? How are they gonna benefit from your product or service? How are you gonna relieve pain by providing them information how to solve certain problems? Okay, and I'm gonna share a story real quick with you. One of my friends, not too long ago, he bought a brand new house, and one of his neighbors, they had a landscaping business, and his front yard kind of looked like crap. He wanted to improve it, make it look better, but he didn't really have the money to spend on a landscaping service. So when he was talking to his neighbor, he was asking her certain questions, how to do certain things on his front yard, and she would tell him, a bunch of tips and tricks how to do this and that. And eventually he decided, when he started making more money, he decided that he would like to hire actually the company and buy some products from them. And guess who he picked for the company that will work on his front yard and bring the products that he needed for his front yard and backyard? It was the person that gave him the information, the value that I was talking about here, because she provided the information more than once. Because he was every time he saw her, he was talking to her and asking her questions. Because she was providing value, now he trusted her more, and he felt more comfortable buying from her company because she did something for him, right? She helped him out. She relieved the pain that he had with his front yard, backyard. So eventually he decided to buy her service and her products. And the benefits of her products and service were his front yard and backyard looked nice. He didn't have to worry about working on it. He hated working on the front yard or do landscaping. And this is exactly the example I'm talking about today. Okay, so it's very important when you are selling online or offline, providing some kind of value. Most people are doing it online nowadays. Provide some kind of value in a way of creating information for the type of business that you are running. Help people out with certain problems. Specify different things, specifically what they need, and they will come back to your website. They will come back to your page for more information, okay? Because you already established some kind of trust and credit with them, okay? So this is very important. And the next thing would be, they might start using your service, or buy the cheapest product from you, and then they are happy with the product. They will eventually come back and buy something more expensive. They will buy a service that includes more things that will cost them more money. And I am now talking about at the funnel, okay, where people start buying service or products from you, from the cheaper to the more expensive things as time goes by. But this is how it works, guys. I just wanted to explain how the formula works and how to become a great salesman. And by doing your business in this way, it doesn't even feel like you are selling anything to anybody, okay? You start with providing value, information, and you create this trust, okay, or credit with people who are consuming your information, and after a while they will come back and buy your product or service, okay? So you don't have to like chase anybody. People will come to you. They will come to your website or blog or YouTube video because they need the information, and then you just offer them, okay, at the end of your information. Like, for example, if you had a blog post, at the bottom, of the blog, you will offer them your product or service, and then they can decide if they're gonna go for it or not, and reap the benefits of your product and service. But this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper. Okay, this is David Rishka, and I will talk to you tomorrow with another brand new video. And you have a wonderful day, and I will speak with you soon. You take care.